In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Sam's Club online. To get started, head over to the Sam's Club website or open the Sam's Club mobile app if you prefer using your phone or tablet. Once you're on the homepage, look for the option that says Join Sam's Club or anything similar that lets you start a new membership. This will take you into the sign-up process. Next, choose the membership plan that fits your needs. Typically, you'll see options such as a standard club membership or a plus membership. Take a moment to compare the features, pricing, and included benefits so you can decide which one makes the most sense for how you plan to shop. If you shop often or want extra perks, it can be helpful to review those details carefully before continuing. After selecting your plan, you'll be asked to create a Sam's Club account. This usually involves entering your email address and creating a password. If you already have an account, you can simply sign in instead of creating a new one. Make sure the information you use is accurate so you can access your membership easily later. From there, enter your personal information, including your name, address, phone number, and any other required details. Fill everything out carefully since this information is tied to your membership account and may also be used for billing or account verification. Once your details are entered, review the membership plan you selected. This is a good time to confirm the membership fee and make sure you're happy with the benefits included. After that, enter your payment information and verify your billing details. Double check everything before moving on to avoid delays or payment errors. You'll then see an order summary. Review it carefully to confirm that your membership plan, personal details, and payment information are all correct. If everything looks good, click Join or Complete Purchase to submit your membership application and payment. After submitting, wait for the confirmation email letting you know your membership has been successfully activated. This confirmation is important, so keep an eye on your inbox. Once your account is active, you can access your digital membership card through the Sam's Club app or in your online account. At that point, you're all set. You can start shopping online right away or visit a Sam's Club location and use your active membership there. If you want the smoothest experience, it's a good idea to keep your digital membership card easily accessible on your phone before your first visit.